If you're planning to start a business in New Jersey, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in New Jersey even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in New Jersey? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means your personal assets like your home, savings, and investments are protected if your business faces any legal issues. And of course, you have a tax flexibility and credibility. Having an LLC in your business name boosts credibility, making your company look more professional and trustworthy to clients, partners, and investors. And of course, you have access to major markets. With its close proximity to New York City and Philadelphia, your business gains direct access to some of the largest consumer markets in the country. And then, remember, you have a streamlined operations. With this, it gives you your LLC an option to set your business up for long-term success. After that is choosing a name for your New Jersey LLC. Now you want to make sure that you pick a unique name for your LLC. It must be distinguishable from existing business in New Jersey. It should include LLC or limited liability company or L.C. You should avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, or university unless you have approval. And if you have something of a business in mind, you can always check the availability directly to the New Jersey Division of Revenue website. Now, all you have to do is type in your desired business name. If no matching results appear, that means your business name is available and good to go. And if you are not ready to file it yet, you can reserve your name for $50. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is, you must choose a registered agent. A registered agent receives the legal and state documents for your LLC. They must have a physical address in New Jersey. If you wanted to be a registered agent yourself, you can do so, provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. It could also be an individual or a family member or a friend, but what we highly suggest is to hire a professional formation agent service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now it's time to officially create your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation. Now, all you have to do is very simple. You just have to go to the New Jersey Business Registration Portal and file the Certificate of Formation online. Now, all you have to do is very simple. Provide your LLC name, registered agent information, business purpose. You can use a general purpose for that. And choose a management structure. It could be member manage or manager manage. There is going to be a filing fee of $125, and once submitted, most LLCs are approved within minutes or a few business days. Although New Jersey doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because an operating agreement defines ownership percentage, outlines management responsibilities, helps protect your limited liability status, because even single-member LLCs should have one for legal and financial clarity. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website.
Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. After that is you need to register for the New Jersey taxes and employer purposes. Now, to complete all the requirements and process, all you have to do is go to the New Jersey business website, okay, complete the necessary application, and you need to also consider to register for applicable state taxes, including sales tax, employer withholding, and unemployment insurance. You also need to obtain key credentials like receiving your unique New Jersey Business Entity ID and the Essential Business Registration Certificate or BRC.
Once your LLC is officially formed, your work doesn't stop there. Now, to keep your business active and legally compliant, you'll need to meet a few ongoing requirements. And number one is going to be the annual reports. Filing on time is essential to keep your business in active status with the state. Of course, you have the annual report fee. Missing this payment or filing late can lead to penalties or even admin dissolution of your LLC. Remember to have and maintain good standing. Staying compliant helps you avoid fines, protect your limited liability status, and ensure your business can operate without legal issues. And in addition to state requirement, be sure to research local regulations and secure any necessary approvals to remain fully compliant in New Jersey. Staying organized and setting reminders for annual deadlines can save you time, money, and stress, keeping your LLC running smoothly year after year. That's why
Traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including
New Jersey.
now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started.
As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple. And let's begin with the Order tab. Essentially, this is the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC. The total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes your LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, plus the business address. And don't worry, this information is only used to officially create your LLC with the state. After that is going to be the management section. This is how you define your LLC. So you can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or manager manage, which means a manager runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure on what type of management you would like to use, all I have to do is super simple. Click the question mark icon because this will help you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. And if you want to add names of members or managers, just put it here. Again, Northwest keeps this private information. Now, if you wanted to add some services, like for example, tax ID as corporation and premium mail service, you can do so. But if you want to prefer handling them yourself, it's okay, and you can safely skip all of these. After that is going to be the account section. This is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide an email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. It shows you the credit or debit card details, review of total cost, and the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in New Jersey, which is a smart move for entrepreneurs who want strong asset protection, tax flexibility, and access to major East Coast market. While the state does have an ongoing compliance requirements, the credibility and business opportunities New Jersey offers outweighs the costs. Now, if you're looking to build a professional, scalable business with legal protection and long-term growth potential, New Jersey is absolutely worth considering.
But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.